The instructions and how to use the vitamin C is given on the packaging. It's very straightforward. You need to mix the serum base, which is the smaller bottle, with the L-ascorbic powder, which is in the larger dropper bottle. The serum base has all the powerful ingredients. It's got water, it's got propylene carbonate, and it has these 4 ingredients that I want to talk about. I have starred them for your reference. The blood orange I'm going to be covering in the moisturizer, so let's talk about the second one. This magical ingredient not only protects our skin from UV damage, it also soothes inflammation and prevents oxidative damage. It reduces acne-induced inflammation and speeds up the healing process, which makes it very good serum for not only acne-prone skin but also dry skin and sensitive skin because of all its soothing and calming abilities. Now let's move to the second ingredient. The peony root extract boosts skin clarity, so you can expect a lot of brightness and a lot of glow on your skin. The third one is the super fader. It not only evens the skin tone, brightens it, but also protects your collagen. It is soothing, which makes this serum not only great for dry skin as discussed earlier, but also perfect for combination skin and oily skin. And so this powerful serum with pure L-ascorbic acid at 20% is very well balanced and very gentle for all skin types. A lot of the L-ascorbic powders serums can become very strong for sensitive skin and dry skin, but with the Dot & Key Vitamin C serum, you can be sure that your skin is in safe hands. It's a very watery serum, so you just need a little bit to go over your face. I do 2 drops on my face and another 2 to 3 drops to go over my neck and chest area. Don't forget the neck and chest area, because otherwise you can have difference in your shade between the neck and face. And also this area also requires protection from UV damage and aging. In fact, the chest area actually ages faster than the face. So ध्यान रखिएगा. If you've been part of this channel, you know that I have a continuous battle to fight pigmentation and melasma. So when I start using vitamin C, I have to make sure that the vitamin C is showing me these few results. My melasma doesn't become darker, the unevenness on my face doesn't surface, doesn't come, and if I have acne, which I get every now and then, 1 or 2, the scars go away easier. The Dot & Key Vitamin C is the perfect serum for all of my skin concerns. It fades, it improves moisturization, hydration, it evens out skin tone, it brightens the skin, it boosts collagen, which I really require, and priced at $4.99 for 25 ml, it's a perfect win. Along with the Dot & Key Vitamin C serum, I was also using their Vitamin C moisturizer, which is got a sorbet-like structure. You know, apart from what you will hear and see and read about this moisturizer, I have to tell you that it really smoothens your skin out. You can actually feel the smoothness when you move your fingers along your face. Really brilliant product. And this magic bottle of 25 ml is just priced for 315 rupees. The ingredients, as you can see over here, has shea butter, which makes it very soothing for all skin types. It's got vitamin E. It also has ethyl ascorbic acid, which is the vitamin C that we're looking for. And along with that, it has cacao plum extract, which is the natural vitamin C, which is also very good in giving you the benefits of anti-aging, brightness, glowing, hydration, basically everything that you expect from a vitamin C. Along with that, it also has blood orange. Blood orange not only slows your skin's damage, which the UV exposure creates and the pollution creates, but it also helps reducing wrinkles and fine lines, balances excess oil, creates an even skin tone, makes your skin healthy and bright. So it's anti-aging, great for all skin types because it's very well balanced. It's not harsh on your skin. So great for sensitive skin, combination skin, dry skin, and oily skin, because remember, the blood orange also helps in reducing oiliness. A great winner combination if you're looking for magic of vitamin C on your skin. The Dot & Key Vitamin C serum and the super bright Dot & Key Vitamin C moisturizer have got to be one of the best finds of 2022 for me personally. If you've used them, let me know how your experience was. For more on this, I am going to meet you in the comment section. Halka sa fragrance hai, it's coming from the ingredients. This vitamin C and the vitamin C serum are super performing products, really are.